Hi grade 2. Hi guys. Hi grade 2. So welcome to our PE review and computer. PE and computer review. So let's start first with our PE review. Okay? So punta muna tayo sa mga terminologies. Okay? Location, it is the place where your movement is done. When you move, you can go behind, in front of, under, or over an object or a person. So remember the meaning of location. What is the meaning of location? The place where your movement is done. Okay po? So multiple choice for this one, for the meaning. Okay, next is space. Another terminologies. Space is the area around you where your body can move. It is space is the area around you where your body can move. And we have two kinds of space. So personal space and general space. A personal space is the space or area surrounding you where you can move within your body extensions. So the example of personal space na movements are stretching, knee bending, okay? So those are arm circling, yun yung mga personal space na movement. What about general space? This is the total area which you share with other pupils during an activity. So buong area na yan, big space. And what are the movements that you can do in your general space? Running, okay, galloping, skipping, what else? Sliding, okay? So those are the movements that you can do in general space. Next is direction. Remember the meaning, ha? Okay? Next, direction. It refers to the way your movement goes, okay? It can be up, down, forward, backward, sideways, or even in multi direction. So, this one is up, down, forward, backward, and sideways. So yung multi-direction is you can go forward, sideward, and then backward. Okay po? So next is level. Level of movement refers to the relationship of your body to the floor or materials when moving. Remember the meaning? A level of movement is refers to the relationship of your body to the floor. So this is the clue here. Relationship of your body to the floor. Now we have low level movement. So the low level movement is when your movements are below your waist. Okay? So these are the example of low level movement. Next, middle level movements are the movements done at levels between your shoulders and your waist. So the one that we like this, okay, and then this one. So this one is the low level movements. High level movements involve movements done above your shoulders. You can move your hands up, you can twist your body head left to the right or up and down, okay? And some for this one, for the high, low, and level, you will my picture si Teacher Bell, and you will identify if it's high, low, or middle level movement. Also to this one, direction, okay? You will identify if it is up, down, forward, backward, sideways, and multi-direction. May picture din dyan si Teacher Bell. And also here in location, okay? There's a picture and you will identify if it is behind, in front of, under, or over. Okay? Next is pathways. Look, it is the locomotor movements are done by moving from one place to another. The route or the pathway you take from one place to another is called pathway. Okay, so this one, we have straight, curved, zigzag, and ito, yung core combinations. Okay, then planes. Plane of movement refers to the extent or how far some parts of your body, such as your arms and legs, can move away from your body. So these movements are also referred as extension movements. So we have here near. Near means your arms and legs move a little, only a little from your body. But far means your arms and your legs move away from your body. So this one is near and far. Again, Teacher Bell has a picture of this one and you will identify if it is near or far. Okay, now let's go to our computer review. So the first one is hardware, software, and peopleware. Okay, hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched. The example is the keyboard, monitor, printer, USB, hard drive, mouse. Okay, so those are the hardware. While the software, these are the programs inside the computer. You can see them, but you cannot touch them. So for example, is the WordPad, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, YouTube, internet, yung mga Google, what else? Paint. So those are the software. Next is the peopleware. It refers to the person who have the ability to use and enhance performance of computers. So nandyan yung mga computer electrician, computer engineer, okay? And computer technician. And that refers to the person who has the ability to use. So meron tayong students, you are also peopleware because you know how to use computer, and teachers and many other people who are using computer. Now, let's proceed to our keyboard. The keyboard is the primary input device. Oh, for this one, you will identify if it is hardware, software, or peopleware. Okay, the type of our exam here. Next, but also remember the meaning. Okay, the keyboard is the primary input device used for entering letters, numbers, symbols, or other commands. It is composed of 101 to 104 keys that are arranged in 4 groups according to what they can do. So this is the parts of the keyboard. Function keys are this one, the up here. Cursor keys, this one. Numeric keys, and the alphanumeric, yung big na dito. Okay, function keys, they are located at the topmost part of the keyboard. They start from escape, ESC, and from F1 up to F12. Function keys will allow you to give commands without entering long instruction, okay? Next, alphanumeric keys. This group is the biggest part of the keyboard. It composed of alphabets, numbers, and other keys, okay? Next, cursor keys. These are the arrows that are used to change the location or movement of the cursor on your screen. And the last one is the numeric keys. They look like a calculator and they include the 4 mathematical symbols such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we have also what we call status lights. They are located on the upper part of the numeric keys and tells us if the key is activated, and it will magko-color siya, magla-light siya if it is activated. So the uses and the other keys on keyboard. So we have here enter, backspace. When you click this one, pressing this key will move the cursor down. Backspace will, pressing this key will delete the letters or the numbers at the left side of your cursor. The space bar, it is used to put space. between words or letters. Shift, this key is used to type a single. Single means only one capital letter. Or caps lock. This key is used to make all the capital letters you typed in capitalized. And delete key, pressing this key will delete the letters or numbers on the right side of the cursor. And now let's go to our mouse. This is the parts of our mouse: long wire, right mouse button, scroll wheel, left mouse button, and the palm rest. Okay? And the functions of the mouse, we have point. You know already how to do the point. Click, double click, right click, drag, and wheeling. So another devices that will help you gives command on your computer. So we have here joystick and the game controller, stylus pen or pen input, digitizers and graphic, digital camera, scanner, and barcode reader. We also have remote control and touchscreen. For the type of exam here is my picture is it is matching type. The name of the device and the picture. You need to match that one. And for this one, you need to know the parts of the mouse, and you will identify if there is a function or parts of the mouse. Okay po? So that's all everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye!